All right, now that we've prepped all of our food, we need to strategize how to eat all of that food throughout the course of the day. So if you're following the 21-day fix plan, I went to the second bracket for calorie intake since most of our respondents were females. So for all these containers that we have, you see I've got them broken down over here by color. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna strategize when we're gonna eat all of these containers throughout the day so we can make sure that we have the proper calorie intake by bedtime. So first of all, we're gonna start with our greens, which are our vegetable containers. So for each lunch and dinner, we wanna try to consume a green and a half for each one. That way we make sure we get the majority of our vegetables. An easy way to get that last container in is to have some carrots as a mid-afternoon snack. Moving on to our purple is our fruit. So an easy way to do fruit is we can have 2 for our banana because it's a large banana, and then we can add some blueberries to our yogurt. All right, next up we've got our red, so we've got our high proteins. Obviously for lunch and dinner we want to have a red. In these meals we've got some ground beef in one and we've got chicken in another. So down here we know that our Shakeology counts as a red, so we're going to put that with snack 1. And then we've got Greek yogurt down here, which is high in protein, and that counts as 1 red. Next down we've got our yellows, which are our starches. So with both lunch and dinner we've got a rice and quinoa mix, so we've got our yellows. That 1 yellow that we've got left, we want to consume some carbs in the morning to really get our body kicking. So we've got a piece of toast. The 2 that are going to be your hardest to fit in during the day are your blue and your orange, your healthy fats and your seeds. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take our blue, we've got here in snack number 2 is hummus. So that's going to go great with our carrots, so we'll put that one there with snack 2. And then down here what we did was we took some of the shredded coconut and we put it in our yogurt to give it a little flavor and texture. Now last, we've got 4 teaspoons. Now these are 4 teaspoons. 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon. So we'll make it a rounded tablespoon and we'll add all 4 of these with our breakfast with peanut butter. So now that we've got all of our containers strategized throughout our day, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of each meal and kind of what you're going to be consuming and maybe a little bit of a way to move things around. So if you know that you're going to get up and work out right away, maybe you just want to get some carbs in your body, use up your teaspoons with your peanut butter, get that in your body, drink some water, have some pre-workout, press play on your on-demand, and get going. You can take this yogurt and you can slide it over here with your first snack, have your banana, have your extra fruit. All this will get a little bit of sugar in your body and get you really kicking, plus all the vitamins and minerals in your Shakeology for the day will really push you through to lunch and then on through dinner. Or you can move this all the way down to snack number 2 if you feel like maybe you're going to be more hungry in the afternoon. This just boosts your afternoon snack of carrots and hummus. Now you've got a little bit of fruit for a little bit of extra sugar. Down here for lunch and dinner are basically going to be your same intake. So you want to consume your proteins and a lot of vegetables. That's why we're going to do a container and a half of vegetables, and then also keep your starch going. So this is one simple way to take your meal prep from the kitchen and actually put it on your table. Strategizing your containers out. I would suggest doing it by container. That way you can make sure you lay out your containers for the full day, and then by the end of the day you've consumed all your containers. Time to go to bed and get started for tomorrow.